Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a spare bit of time and cleaning out the refrigerator is a job that I've been putting off for ages. Today I'm bringing you some instant cleaning motivation, so if you've got any jobs that you've been avoiding, then make sure that you put me on whatever device you have and let's get it done together. First of all, I'm removing all of the food from the fridge so I can show you exactly how much it needs to be cleaned. It also helps me to thoroughly deep clean all of the shelves and the walls of the fridge rather than just cleaning ground things. Taking everything out also helps me to sift out anything that's expired. Our fridge is gross at the moment. There are a few little spillages, drips of milk, little bits of yogurt, and most disgusting of all, some sticky mango chutney. Ew. Going down to the drawers, there are little bits of salad and vegetables which have kind of just fallen off and gone to the bottom. There's a ton of fingerprints and marks around the door handles. So in short, it's a complete disaster. To clean the fridge, I'm just using warm soapy water in here, which is really the only thing that I've ever used for cleaning my fridge and freezer actually. Let me know what you use in the comments. Now, I tend to do this job a day or so before we go to the supermarket to do our weekly food shop, but like I said, it's been a little while since the last time I've done it, hence the mess.
I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in the worn out sneakers, when we were flying out the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts, tomboy t-shirts.
told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Please don't judge the amount of chocolate in here, guys. It's just been Christmas and we have a ton left over from that. I decided to give up chocolate and alcohol in January, which seemed like a good idea on the 1st of January, and then the UK went into another national lockdown, so it's just made the whole thing even harder to stick to, but I'm going to be strong. I'm going to try to stick to it until the end of January. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. If you need more cleaning and organising motivation right now, I have a whole list of videos for you to choose from in the description box below. Some are much longer than others and some are really short, so take your pick. For those of you that have only just found me, I post cleaning and organising videos twice every single week, so please do consider subscribing to my channel and we'll clean together. You can also follow me on my social media over on Instagram and Twitter. All links are in the description box. Thanks so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!